Locked out of your ZTE modem or router? Forgotten the admin password? Or is it stuck with serious connection issues? A factory reset is your ultimate solution. In this guide, I'll show you the 2 official ways to reset your ZTE modem or router. Let's get started. Settings. Flip your router or modem and find default login IP address, username, password, and default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on the router sticker. Step 2. Connect to ZTE modem or router. First, ensure the device you're using, a computer, phone, or tablet, is connected to your ZTE modem or router's network either using Wi-Fi or wired. Step 3. Access the login page via web browser. Open any web browser and access 192.168.1.1 or use login IP address. Printed on the sticker, you will get ZTE login page. Use default login username and password printed on the sticker. Press login button. Once logged into router, now navigate to Management and Diagnostic tab from top menu. Then go to System Management option from left side menu. Scroll down page and go to Factory Reset Management option. Now press Factory Reset button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, warning you that all settings will be lost. Confirm by clicking OK. The router will now reboot automatically. This process takes 3 to 5 minutes. Do not unplug the power. When it's done, it will be exactly as it was on day 1. Method 2. Hard reset using button. Locate the reset button. Find the small recessed pinhole on the back or bottom of your ZTE modem or router. It is usually labeled reset. It's very small. You'll need a paper clip or SIM ejector tool. Ensure the router is powered on and lights are on. Insert your paper clip into the pinhole. Press and hold the internal reset button down firmly for 10 seconds. Release and wait. After the hold time, remove the paper clip. The router will now reboot itself. This full reboot can take up to 5 minutes. Be patient. Wait for the power and internet LEDs to become solid. Once the router is back online, it has returned to its factory state. You must now use the default login credentials and Wi-Fi details printed on the sticker of the router. That's it. If this guide helped you regain control of your network, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more videos. Thanks for watching.